Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magdidilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, is Gaudete Sunday. Gaudete means to rejoice. Our celebration calls us to rejoice in the deep assurance that the Lord is near. God is coming. Our readings this Sunday give us the reasons of our rejoicing. There are 3 P's for our reflection. First, prophecy. The prophet Isaiah in our first reading prophesies, the desert will bloom, the lame will leap, the deaf will hear, and the mute will sing. This prophecy seems absurd or impossible. Paano mamumukadkad ang tigang na lupain? Yet what Isaiah proclaims is that when the Lord comes, even the driest and most hopeless areas of our life can be transformed. Tayo din ay may mga disyertong bahagi sa buhay natin, sugatan, pagod at walang gana. This Sunday, we are invited to believe that God can bring life even to what seems hopeless, dry, or dead in our lives. Pangalawa, patience. St. James says, "Be patient until the coming of the Lord." This is difficult, my dear brothers and sisters. St. James compares this virtue of patience to a farmer who waits for the early or late rains. He cannot force the harvest. He must trust the process, that something is growing even when he cannot see it. This is so in our lives. In the midst of the hustle and bustle of life, we have to trust the timing and ways of God. We cannot force God. We cannot force ourselves or others. Healing takes time. Reconciliation takes time. Growth in virtue takes time. Yet in all these changes, patience plays an essential role, hoping that God is working silently. Third, presence. In the Gospel, John the Baptist, while in prison, sends his disciples to Jesus to confirm what he already knows. The reply of Jesus is surprising. He mentions to them what they hear and see. These signs are indicators of God's presence. Jesus is telling them that His presence indicates transformed lives. This Sunday, my dear brothers and sisters, the Lord is asking us to rejoice with hope. Not because life is perfect with God, but because God is near and He is transforming us little by little. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.